So there's several different states that are good for RVers. Tennessee is usually not the best one, but it's the one we chose. Redeemed, and we are headed to Knoxville, Tennessee this morning in a borrowed car because we are going up here to transfer our residency to Tennessee. We've been trying to get this swapped over. You know, when you're a full-time RVer, you can have your residence anywhere, because really you don't have a permanent address anyway, because you're transient and you're always moving, always traveling. So we've decided to make our permanent residence in Tennessee for several different reasons. One being that there are no state income taxes on income. There's income taxes on investments and things like that, but not on your personal income. And then also it's cheaper to get a tag up in Tennessee, and there's less, you know, the requirements are not as stiff as in Georgia for RVers, and that's good. Plus, we just like Tennessee. We like our Tennessee friends, and we actually spend a lot of time in Knoxville. We're kind of up there every couple of months or so, and we have several churches that we sing at up here in Knoxville, and have some really good friends. It's almost like home up here. So anyway, we're changing over today, traveling up here, going to try to get a tag for the RV, and also change our driver's license over to Tennessee. So that's what's going on. And so there's several different states that are good for RVers. Tennessee is usually not the best one, but it's the one we chose. Florida's good, South Dakota and Texas, all because they don't have state taxes, and they're real RV friendly. It's easy to get an address in those states, and so if you're a full-time RVer, you know, and you're a Christian, pray about where the Lord wants you to have your residency, and then, you know, decide. But we have family in Georgia, so we've had it there for a couple years now, but we also have family in Tennessee. So family being, you know, not blood family, but good spiritual friends family. We have friends family in Tennessee. So anyway, just wanted to give an update as to what we're doing.